Want to quickly analyze income data and categorize it by occupation? In this video, I'll show you how to use 5 essential Excel functions: if, nested if, SUMIF, COUNTIF, and AVERAGEIF. These functions will help you uncover insights like total earnings, averages, and trends in no time. Let's get started. First up, the if function, Excel's way to categorize data based on a condition. The if function tests a condition and returns one value if true and another if false. The syntax is equals if condition value if true, value if false. For example, let's classify incomes as above average or below average. If the income in the income column exceeds $50,000, we'll write Next, nested ifs take it further by letting you categorize data into more than 2 groups. By combining multiple if functions, you can create detailed classifications. For instance, to divide incomes into 3 levels: low for under $30,000, medium for $30,000, and high for over $70,000, we'd write Using the if and nested if functions, you can quickly categorize data into distinct groups based on specific conditions. Whether you're dividing incomes into broad categories or detailed levels, these functions make it easy to classify your data. Before diving into SUMIF and COUNTIF, let's use Excel's unique function to extract all distinct occupations from our dataset. This creates a clean list of occupations, like doctor, engineer, and teacher, ready for analysis. Now, let's calculate total incomes for each occupation using SUMIF. In the column next to the unique occupations, write Next, we'll use COUNTIF to count how many people belong to each occupation. Write This counts how many rows in column C match each unique occupation. Before we introduce the AVERAGEIF function, let's manually calculate the average income for each occupation using SUMIF and COUNTIF. To calculate the average, divide the total income from SUMIF by the count from COUNTIF. Alternatively, simplify this process with the AVERAGEIF function. The syntax is equals average range, criteria average range. For example, to calculate the average income for teacher, write And that's it. With if, nested if, SUMIF, COUNTIF, and AVERAGEIF, you can easily analyze and summarize data to uncover valuable insights. Thanks for watching.